Welcome to Nudge University, simple and powerful strategies to optimize health coaching and strengthen your business through integration of technology. This is NU 1.0, the course outline and presenter information. I'm Dr. Steve Feyrer-Melk, and I'll be your guide on this wonderful journey. I'm the Director of Lifestyle Medicine, as well as a health coach at the Optimal Heart Attack and Stroke Prevention Center. I also serve as the Chief Science Officer for Nudge Coach, and I'm a nationally recognized expert in lifestyle medicine, behavior change, and health coaching. My PhD is in exercise science and wellness, and I have a master's degree in human performance. But what's most important in this whole journey and what you need to know is that I have a distinctive experience of many years working individually with clients and patients to help them, make better lifestyle choices, become healthy, decrease their risk, become a better athlete, the whole gamut. And I use my passion, my forward-thinking, proactive, hands-on approach to present this information to you. It's things that I've tested, I've researched, and I am now sharing them with you. But the thread that I want you to think about throughout this entire course is simplicity. Simplicity of gaining access and information from your clients or patients, and simplicity on your behalf in utilizing that information. And without those, this information is not going to help you. Additionally, having the right technology, having the right platform is critical to your success. So the purpose of Nudge University is pretty simple. The purpose is you. The purpose is to empower you, to assist you in optimizing what you do, your health coaching, to strengthen your business, to give you simple and powerful strategies to help you integrate and leverage technology, leverage your skills, leverage your already great abilities to make them even better. And Nudge University was actually designed, the format, to save you time. You can view it on your smartphone, you can use your tablet, you can do it on your computer. It's up to you. It has been organized in short segments to fit your busy life. This is actually going to be the longest segment. It's set up for easy access, for quick brushing up if, say, you forgot a section of what's important about syncing up certain apps. It's updated as often as possible to stay cutting edge for you. So the ways that you can engage is you can just click through slideshows on your own at your own pace, or you can listen to me and I try to add extra information and get a little bit more detailed. You can just play through these presentations like you're doing right now. So the main sections in Nudge University are Part 1, the overview of technology and the health professional, the overview of Nudge app and Nudge Coach platform, the client-patient experience, how it impacts them, the health coach experience, how it's going to impact you, and then some keys and tips which are best practices for the clients and best practices for the health professional, health coach. So let's get into a little bit more detail so you understand what you're getting into. So Part 1 is the overview of technology and the health professional. And I should add that it is very beneficial to go from Part 1 all the way through to the next levels and not jump around. However, if that's the only way I'll get you to watch these, some of it you'll absorb and it'll help. So here are the parts of Part 1. The big picture, the current use of technology, very important. What can be measured, examples of technology, how technology helps you, the data approach. Oh my gosh, what should you focus on? Should you focus on granular data or trends data? And what are the big four? What are the ones you should give your biggest bang for you can get your biggest bang for your buck? And then what's the best data and information? Part 2 is an overview of the Nudge app itself and the health coaching platform. So for the Nudge Coach, it's a general setup, the Nudge Factor, and core elements. And then the Nudge Coach, it's the general setup, the core elements, and then safety and of that data, because we keep it as secure as possible. We're a HIPAA-compliant platform, so you can feel safe and your clients and patients can feel safe. And within this section, there are also going to be tutorials which show how to actually work the app and the Nudge Coach. Then the client and patient experience, the Nudge app features, the functions, the data points, syncing wearables, how clients and patients will do that, wearable devices, which ones are out there in more detail, and then how to communicate, how the client or patient will communicate with you as a health coach or health professional. And then the experience for you, the dashboard features, functions, and layout, and then how you invite patients or clients and get them set up under you, sending out banners that pop up on their screens, communicating with them, setting up alerts to make things easier for you. And then best practices goes into more depth of this, for the client or patient, how to introduce to the client or patient the passive data, active data, using messaging, setting up parameters, so how that impacts the client or patient. And then a great area to save you a lot of time in the long run is how you introduce, more specifically, you introduce this technology to clients and patients, how you actually interpret data and how you can leverage that, the easiest way to communicate, how you use alerts and make them work in your benefit, how you message a group, how you can message individuals, details of setting up those banners, marketing to your clients and patients, getting them to understand that you're even out there doing this, which is very powerful. The wearable and technology integration, how that works, and then finally, wearable technology revenue that you can have working with this technology and selling it actually to your patients or clients. So technology is very powerful. If you have the right technology, it will help you optimize your approach, the way that you currently do things in your health, fitness, and prevention programs. So an overview, again, I'm Dr. Steve, and I'm here to guide you through this. Nudge University provides simple and powerful strategies, helps you optimize health coaching, strengthen your business, provides you guidance with how to integrate that technology. The course can be viewed as a presentation or a slideshow. It's set up in small sections, and it can be a great research for you in the future as you're working more and more in depth with your patients and clients. So thank you so much for joining me with this course outline and allowing me to introduce myself. This is Dr. Steve, and good luck.